TikTok creativity program is literally blowing up at the moment, and it's safe to say that the TikTok creativity rewards program is the best way to make money right now. Basically, the TikTok creativity rewards program pays between $0.5 to $1 for every 1,000 views you get. So if your video reaches 2 million views on TikTok, the creativity program would pay you between $1,000 to $2,000 for that particular video.
But Robert, before we proceed, I'd like to mention that the TikTok account must be eligible for the Creator Rewards program in order to earn big. So, to get an eligible TikTok account from any part of the world, your audience can visit the website linked in the description. There they can purchase a UK TikTok account. The good part is that they will get a 5% discount on all their orders. Just use the code profit.hustlers for a pleasant surprise.
Right, so once the account is sorted, let's move on towards actual video creation. Remember, having a unique and engaging niche is super important. I have done quite heavy research and found that riddles are taking all over the internet, but they're not as common on TikTok. You can take advantage of this by starting to make these videos on TikTok before others catch on.
So today we are doing riddles videos, right?
You are absolutely right. So what do you think from where we should start?
First, we should be generating the riddles questions for our video.
Right. As usual, I would be using my best friend ChatGPT for this. Once you are in, simply ask the chatbot to give you 15 riddles with answers provided. As you can see, ChatGPT provided an outstanding list to us for our video. Now let's move on towards the next step, generating the voiceover. For that, go to ElevenLabs. It's a very good text-to-speech AI software. It has multiple AI realistic voices to choose from, and you can even clone your own voice. Once you are in, simply select a suitable voice for your video.
Here, I would like to add one thing. Rather than generating the voiceovers for riddle questions directly, add something interesting at the start of your script, so that viewers are totally engaged and watch your video till the very end.
You are totally right. For that, I will simply write, if you can solve these 2 riddles, your IQ might be around 80, but if you can solve 3 riddles, your IQ is 120. If you can solve all 5 of these riddles, your IQ is probably around 200. What do you think? Will this strategy work for our video?
Yeah, totally, because this will create some curiosity in viewers' minds, so they will probably watch the video till the end, because they want to know about their IQ level.
Exactly. After that, just copy the questions from ChatGPT and paste it into the box. After that, click Generate. In a few seconds, it will generate the audio.
But remember, for the generation of these types of riddle shorts, you need to create an avatar that will serve as a starting point and create curiosity for our video.
Right. For that, simply go to Leonardo AI. Sign up for a free account and get 150 credits daily. After that, pick an AI model that matches your preference. For this video, I'll select Absolute Reality version 1.6. I have already taken the help from ChatGPT to write me a prompt that defines my character. As you can see on the screen, the prompt generated me outstanding character. Once your character is finalized, simply download it.
Right. The next step is to animate our character into a talking avatar. For that, you can use a website called Studio DID.
Right, so simply head on towards their website and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Video button, upload your character by clicking the Add button and selecting your character file. Then, you can either type your script or upload an audio file for the voiceovers. For this video, I will upload the audio file. Once uploaded, click Generate Video, and within a few seconds, your talking avatar video will be ready to download.
Now we're going to combine everything we've done to create the final video. We'll use CapCut, a free editing software. Just sign up for a free account, and you are good to go.
Right. So simply open CapCut and start a new project. Next, import all your files into the software. Then go to the Modify section and choose the 9:16 ratio and save your project. After that, place your background picture and video into the timeline. Now, cut your avatar video accordingly to represent the first part. To add subtitles, click on Text and then choose Auto Captions. Select English and click on Create to generate the captions. Delete all the captions other than the first part, as we will be adding text manually to that section later on. To make the captions visually appealing for the first part, select the captions and adjust the font size, style, case, color, and add shadow or stroke according to your liking. To increase the readability of captions, you can break the captions into different lines, and you can also add animations from the Animations tab. Once the captions are finalized, it's time to add text for the next part of the avatar video. For that, simply add the first text layer to represent the number of riddle questions. After that, add another text layer to represent the riddle question itself. In that layer, simply copy-paste your riddle question and adjust both layers perfectly in your canvas. Once the text layers are added, adjust the font size, alignment, and apply animations to your text for a dynamic presentation. After your text layers are finalized, move your second part of the avatar video under your text layers and resize it accordingly. Now, this is a very crucial part. Place a stopwatch in the timeline after the voiceover of your riddle question ends. Once the voiceover finishes, you need to remove the green background from the watch in the video. For that, click on the video tab on the left side, then go to cutout option, then turn on the chroma key option. There you'll see a color picker tool. Use that to remove the green screen. After removing it, keep the stopwatch visible for 5 seconds, then import your answer file and add a text layer there with your answer written in it. Remember to apply in and out animations to the answer text for a smooth transition. Repeat these steps for next riddle questions. I will skip the whole process because it's very long and boring. Once all the riddles are added, import sound effects such as typing and timer sounds and apply them to the corresponding elements in your video. And here is the final output you have been waiting for.
Hello there. Ready for a brain workout? If you can solve just 2 of these riddles, your IQ might be around 80. But if you can crack 3, your IQ could be as high as 120. And if you manage to conquer all 5 riddles, well, your IQ might just be over 200. So let's get started. Riddle number 1. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Riddle number 2. What has keys but can't open locks? Riddle number 3. I'm full of holes, but I can still hold a lot of water. What am I? Riddle number 4. What has a neck but no head? Riddle number 5. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years?
Thanks for joining the show. It's a great pleasure to have you here.
Thanks for having me in. I would love to come again if needed.
If you liked this video, a comment to the video would be great. Let me know in what niche you want a tutorial in the next video, and I will check it out.